Like many of you, I've watched badass drone shots all across YouTube, film, and TV, and thought to myself, I want to do this too someday. I realized, however, that micro drones, which are under 250 grams, are not only super affordable, but also very easy to get started because you don't need a license. So in my quest to become elite at this whole content creation thing, it was time to invest in a tool that could help me capture perspectives that I couldn't previously share and up-level my visual storytelling. In this video, I'll be taking you along for my first drone flight ever with the DJI Mini 2. Oh my God. Let's go. This is the Flymore package, by the way. It's all compact and all ready to go. Such a weird smell. Reminds me of my past, but I just can't identify it. This controller is freaking huge. Wicked. Kind of feels like a game controller type of thing. But the reason I say it's large is because this thing is tiny. Jesus. For comparison, iPhone X. Damn, man. It's so miniature. This is my first drone ever and I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never flown a drone before, so I need to go research.
This is your complete beginner's guide to the DJI Mini 2.
For the next couple of hours, I focused on learning the basics of droning while my gear charged up because... Oh nice, I love when it comes with dead batteries. Once I had a good enough grasp of what was going on with the basics, I wanted to jump right into flying in the comfort of my own backyard. But it turns out, even with the finessing of micro drones, there were a lot more local restrictions than I anticipated because we live right near an airport. After days of confusion and extended research about Canadian drone laws, I grew tired of the delays, said screw it, and went to a place around me where I wasn't in the airport's authorization zone anymore, and I could fly for the first time. Or at least, so I thought. Sweating so much right now. Enhanced, are you kidding? No. Alright, sick. Enhanced warning zone is enabled, meaning that even though I was now outside of the authorization zone, I still required permission from Nav Canada to fly in the surrounding area. But I was still so new that I had no idea how to do this yet. Which means I can't fly in this moment. So I gotta find somewhere else to go film. I've been driving around for a good 25 minutes. I can't find a place to fly my drone right now. For the life of me, that's convenient. There are no conditions that are perfect. I'm either in an illegal parking lot or I'm by people or the tree line is not. So we're just gonna pick something and rock it. This is the most unideal thing, but we move. Also, there's baby frogs literally everywhere. So I will try not to step on them, but this shows potential, this spot. For the record, I am in a total fight or flight mode right now. Ever since I heard those kids, or whatever they were, making weird sounds. I don't know if I got any of that on camera. That put me in a nice fight or flight state. I'm just gonna feel the fear right now that I'm feeling and just do it anyway, because it's me breaking patterns of people pleasing. Also absolutely dying, so quenched. Nice. I think this is good. I don't know though. Where do I even take off from? I don't think this is gonna end well. This is so risky. Just dealing with a safety check right now. Gimbal protector is removed. Aircraft is placed with the rear side facing you. Good. Start tutorial. Take off. Oh my God. Ascend 1 meter. Oh, this is such nice wind on me. That feels tremendous. Descend. Turn left. Hello. Turn right. I'm sweating so much right now. Wow. This is sick. Smart return to home, please. Nice. Only destroyed a couple. Okay, sick. Let's actually do this for real now. How do we do the camera portion? Yes, that's what I'm looking for. 1080p, 30, sure. We going? We are. Wicked. How do I change the camera though? That's the problem. Yes. Go up. Sport. Oh my god. This is wicked. Okay. Do things. I don't remember how to do anything right now.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Wow. Oh my god. Kitchener. Dude. This is fucking sick. Nice rule of thirds too. That is beautiful, man. That is so sick. What is this? Field? Farmer's field. It has to be. What the hell is that? I'm pissed I can't do this at my house. I gotta figure out something, man. Whose pool? Oh, I see some guy on the golf course. This is too creepy, man. Banger. Guys, I cannot see the drone at all. Can't even hear it. Just a distant memory at this point. Weeks. Oh no. Oh no. Sick. Everything's just so laggy right now. Oh nice. Signal lost. How do I get it back? I would love to take this continuously and just push it, but like, I'm so scared I'm gonna lose it, so we're gonna try coming home a little bit. Oh, that is beautiful. Where the hell is this thing? I see you. As fun as this has been, I just don't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna fly her home now. Turn to home. It's just going at the literal slowest speed of all time. There we go. Getting closer now. W. That was my first time flying a drone. Success. It's freaking wicked, man. Holy hell, I'm dying. That is godsend. A couple important things that are on my mind right now. Number one, when you go through something and you expand your comfort zone, anchor it to a song. For me, I'm using the song I used in the Sidemen video editing contest, which is what I had in my earpiece, and I was looping it over and over again to anchor that feeling in. So whenever I feel nervous again, I can just come right back to that. Another important lesson is recognize the beauty around you, because the only thing that changed today was my perspective. My perspective got high and it got far away. And I'm not like a huge fan of Dune, to be honest, the way it looks and the general vibe. I don't love it personally. But when I was able to take a grander viewpoint, it just looks so much more beautiful. And I think that's a testament to your perspective, your mindset. There's beauty to be found in every object. It's just how you look at it. In every situation, it's just how you're perceiving it. And I think the drone is just a good metaphor for that. Lastly, don't get caught up in people's opinions, people's judgments, because guess what? I was going through my own stuff today. I was having a ton of imposter syndrome. A lot of doubts, a lot of fears came up. It was just like, it was silly. I was able to recognize, come back a little bit and be like, this is not real. This is just more of an illusion than anything. These ego-filled thoughts and patterns and stuff like that, and then just do the opposite. And it cancels it out to a degree. You still might feel them, you still might experience them, but you won't be a slave to them, and that's a big difference. You'll still be able to act in the face of it. So that was my first time flying a drone. It was badass, it was nerve-wracking, but we did it. Let's go. Next time, hopefully we can figure out a way to get up there.